Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day number 9 of our March Daily Math. Question number 1 is asking, what time is it? So I see the hour hand is somewhere here between the 2 and the 3. Okay, so it is going to be 2, and it's almost 3 o'clock, right? So it's 2, there's, we count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. Do you see all of those little things there? So 2, 53. And remember, our minutes are the little ones going around, and there's 60 total minutes. Oh, here we have a part whole problem. So 287 plus a number equals 542. So our workspace is 542. Smooth that over a little bit more. Minus 287. 2 minus 7 we cannot do, so let's cross out the 4 and borrow from next door. 12 minus 7 I can do. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 3 minus 8, oh, again, there's more on the floor. Got to go next door. 13 minus 8 would be 5. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So our part whole problem, 255 is our answer. Okay, so what we're doing here is we are breaking down 13 times 5. And if you remember back to our distributive property, we can take 13 and we're going to split it between 10 and 3. Because when I'm multiplying, it's easy to do 10 times a number, right? So 10 times 5 would be 50. And 3 times 5 is 15. So 50 plus 15 is 65. Boy, that does make it quite a bit easier, because I don't know what 13 times 5 is, and it takes a long time to count, but this seems to make it easier for me anyways. Here we go. Make an estimate. One of Finn's gold coins is the size of a quarter. How many gold coins do you think you could pick up with one hand? Okay, so if I were to swipe a big pile of coins in my hand, I think I could easily get 4. I think I could even get 8. 10. Maybe if I cut my hand like this, maybe I might be able to get even more. So I think I could get 20. I do. I'm going to guess and say about 20. Maybe even 25. 26, maybe? We'll see. Hey, look, it's Stumpy. Oh no! Finn's friend Stumpy is stealing some of Finn's gold coins. Stumpy, shame on you. Finn had 124 coins. Now he has 86 coins. How many coins did Stumpy steal? Oh, come on, Stumpy. Well, let's figure it out. We started at 124. And now I only have 86. Oh, man. So, 4 minus 6 we cannot do. We had to borrow from next door. 14 minus 6, there's 4 and 4 is 8. 1 minus 8, we have to borrow. 11 minus 8, 2 and 1 is 3. Ah, that Stumpy stole 38 coins, that little rascal. All right, we will see you tomorrow for day 10 of March Daily Math.